Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by gathering the photo and confirming Zoom access. Choose a crisp image, 1280x 720 or larger, so it won't blur when scaled. Once done, open the Zoom desktop client and sign in. Mobile options differ. Make sure you've updated Zoom to the latest release so the background and profile features appear. Now decide whether you need the image as a virtual background during meetings or as your profile picture. You'll now apply the image as a virtual background. In Zoom, go to Settings, then Background and Filters, and select Virtual Background. Click the plus icon to upload the photo and pick it from your files. Zoom auto-scales, so position matters. If you have a green screen, check I have a green screen to improve edge detection. Make sure to test camera framing and toggle Mirror My Video or background blur to get the look you want before joining the meeting. Finish by setting the photo as your profile image if desired. Go to Settings, Profile, choose Change and upload the picture, then crop and save. This updates across Zoom web and client. If the picture or virtual background doesn't show immediately, sign out and sign back in. Changes sometimes take 5-10 minutes to sync. If issues persist, clear Zoom cache or reinstall the client and check file format and resolution. Those fixes resolve most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.